Why does your credit or debit card does not let you to buy online and online does not let you to do online purchases? So firstly, what you need to understand is simply on this website, I will show you some of the genuine steps. Firstly, enable online transaction. Following the recent RBI guidelines, debit and credit card issues bank by default are enabled only for the domestic transaction. Online transactions are disabled unless you manually turn them on. So if you have got a new card, if you haven't done any online transaction with it, so likely it is disabled for online use on your account. You should go to the customer care or you should go to the main application of your credit or debit card provider and ask them to enable your online transaction, because only you can enable it, because this is not done on your any bank. They do not do it firstly. You should ask them or you should do it manually on your account. So this is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching the video.